Chinese New Year, and people were celebrating Chinese New Year, and it's already 12 o'clock. But I see a lot of fireworks, so I'm gonna show you the fireworks because it's so cool, so great in it. Okay, you can see some of them put some lights on it.
到这个旁边的吗？物业
又没有拍那边啊。
我现在还没有玩，还没玩。
Isn't it cool? Really many fireworks outside. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you that it's actually late and I'm really tired. I've prepared to go to sleep now, and undone my makeups also. You see me plainly. And I hope you all can just go and watch my makeup tutorial. I recently bring a green and black wedding dinner makeup tutorial, and then I got simple red, blue and gray makeup tutorial. I hope you all can go and just have a watch in it, and I think that's it. And happy Chinese New Year. Bye bye.